One of the biggest mistakes I see beginners make with Terraform, which is throwing everything into one giant file, maybe the main.tf. Yeah, so today I'll be talking about the professional way to structure your Terraform projects. So why the structure matters for Terraform. So when you're just learning, putting everything in a single main.tf file seems fine. But as your infrastructure keeps on growing, that files become unmaintainable. And trust me, when you are managing hundreds of resources across multiple environments, the proper structure will save you hours of frustration. Yes, it happened to me as well. So the standard structure goes like this. So the main.tf contains your primary resources, and this is where you define your VMs, the virtual machines, the networks, the VNet, the subnet, databases, whatever you're deploying. So the provider.tf specifies which cloud providers you're using and their authentication configuration, and the variable.tf defines all your input variables. So these are the values that might change between environments like region, the instance size, or the environment name. And next comes the output.tf, which contains the output values. So after Terraform creates resources, the outputs let you display important information like IP addresses or database endpoints. So the terraform.tfvars is where you put the actual values for your variables. So think of variables.tf as the blueprint and terraform.tfvars as filling in the blanks. And next comes the advanced structure. So as you get more advanced, you will add more files, right? So the version.tf to log the provider versions, data.tf for data sources, locals.tf for local values, and you might organize resources into separate files like networking.tf, compute.tf, and storage.tf. Yeah. And the next level is modules. Yeah, so you create reusable components in a modules directory. For example, a VPC module, a virtual private cloud, that you can call multiple times with different parameters. And this is how the enterprises manage Terraform at scale. And finally, if you want me to create a full project structure, breaking down with real examples, drop a comment with your use case and subscribe, because next I'm covering Terraform state files, and that's where things gets really interesting. Until I see you all in another interesting video, it's bye bye from Mr. Chanmugam and your favorite little Slack YouTube channel. Take care and bye bye.